umalemu yekelela, umalemu yekelela. Abashawa muyekelela, 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 umalemu yekelela.
Alukho usuku olungafiki. Namuhla bekuwusuku lapho uNgizwe Mchunu bekufanele avele enkantolo. Sizokhumbula ukuthi njengoba babetoyitoya bemasha la, uNgizwe wathi uMalema uthola 60 million US dollars ayithola kuma-Nigerian drug dealers. Ingakho evikela ama-Nigeria kangaka. Emveni kwaleyo nkulumo kaNgizwe, uJulius Malema ngabameli bakhe babhalela uNgizwe incwadi. Sayifunda lapha babemtshela khona ukuthi le statement esakho osibhalile is-defamatory, ngaleso sizathu kuzofuneka ukuthi uxolise. UMalema wamnikeza ama-conditions okuxolisa. Kufuneka abhale afake konke ama-social media platforms wakhe, axolise, asho futhi nalento information ade ishayilona iqinisa ingamanga. Okwesibili, kuzofuneka ukuthi akhokhe 1 million. UNgizwe mayihlangana nabezindaba bembuza wathi yena ngeke akwenze lokho, ngeke axolise yena. Waqhubeka futhi wathi yena njengoba ngeke azaxolise, uMalema nje uyinto efile la kuye, akamthathi njengomuntu ophilayo. Ngakho nje yena ngeke azaxolise. Wambiza nangenja-ke. Emveni kwalapho bambuza kabezindaba ukuthi uwabonile na amaphepha lawa athe uma ungaxolisi nizodibana enkantolo. Wathi yena ngeke azalibeke enkantolo. Ngathi mina kube kuya ngami ngabe iy'nsuku ziyashesha, sheshe neprocess ukuze ngibone ukuthi ngempela uNgizwe ngeke azaye enkantolo na. Namuhla bekulelo suku lenkantolo. uNgizwe uyile enkantolo. Uyile ngoba inkantolo. Uma kungenzeka ukube kwenzekile wangaya enkantolo, bekuzofuneka abe nesizathu. Ngale kwalokho ubezoboshwa ngoba uzobe ephule umyalelo wenkantolo. Ngeviki eliphelile ngomhla ka-12 uma kuphuma isinqumo sathi amazwi kaNgizwe they are defamatory. Ngaleso sizathu kufuneka axolise, kodwa kufuneka afike yena enkantolo namuhla. Namhlanje kufikile enkantolo uNgizwe wazikhulumela yena, ubengenammeli. Ufike wazikhulumela yena phambi kwenkantolo, wabeka uhlangothi lakhe le story. Ngeshwa-ke icala lamlahla, levune uMalema, alimvunanga uNgizwe. Futhi uNgizwe ufike wakuphika lapha enkantolo ukuthi yena watholile amaphepha. Futhi yena nje akatholanga amaphepha, uzwile nje kukhulunywa ku-social media, kodwa ukuthi amaphepha afike kuye, hhayi azange nje azawathola. Ngakho-ke kodwa kumbuzo obukhona ukuthi uzeleni pho enkantolo. Umbuzo engisale ngazibuza wona mina ngathi uyeleni-ke enkantolo uma ngabe amaphepha akawatholanga.
Thank you very much, my lord. I'm a citizen. My lady. Yes. And as a citizen of South Africa, I respect the rule of law of this country since the dawn of democracy. The way our constitution was crafted, it gives the supremacy of the law to be in charge of any matters that arises that cease to be legally, and everything that we do in this country, despite our rights, it should be aligned legally. And in fact, the people that are working under oath are the people that are on National Assembly. Those are the people that should be exemplary to all of us in this entire country, so that we take them as our role model, because they are law themselves even when they walk on the street. But when they defamate other leaders that are within themselves, I understand the rulings of the house where someone has a right to say anything, but when you do it inside the house of parliament and you do it outside the parliament, they're proving the beyond reasonable doubt that you are telling the entire citizen of South Africa that is allowed. I never say anyone, but Julius Malema has defamated a lot of our leaders since he was in the ANC league, and I plead to the court that to the court that it should not be made final, because it's useless. It's useless in a manner that I was never served by anyone in this matter, and I only saw it online by the amount of respondents that no, it's illegit, because it had been posted by himself as well. And then now they said there's a matter that I had to attend on the 19th of May. We have been marching on the streets. We never saw anything. I don't have lawyers because I don't work. Now I'm here to represent myself. And I'm pleading to court that must never take it final.
Why?
Because I never defamated anyone.
Well, there was evidence before just on the day, and it is there in the papers, and it shows that you did actually increase witness that the applicant is here to make sure that you don't proceed in the question.
And if I may ask my fellow brother here, lawyer, to elaborate that what exactly transpired, so for me to take this matter as a final matter, because I never had anything.
I don't understand what you just said.
And
what would you like us to do?
I want maybe my brother to tell me what wrong doings I've done, so that have acquired me to stand in front of you, Mary.
Ngizwe uzwe ngabantu yena bekabhizi emasha bekangenasikhathi ngakho-ke akabonanga uqala ukuzwa ngabantu wabona ku-social media yingakho ethatha isinqumo sokuya enkantolo and ucela ukuthi lesinqumo inkantolo ingasenze sibe final. Khumbula ukuthi i-EFF izene draft order okusho ukuthi bapropose ukuthi nasi isinqumo ijaji abacabanga ukuthi bona engasithatha. Manje inkantolo ithi kungizwe akapresent icase yakhe ukuthi kungani fanele le draft angayenzi be final. I-draft ithi ungizwe kufuneka axolise, abhale kuma-social media platforms wakhe, abhale kuzoso, enze ivideo kuzoso, ayiposte, ihlala lapha isikhathi esingangenyanga. Mayisebhalile then i-EFF izoyithatha leyo mbhalo leyo bekuxolisa kungizwe, ifake kuma-social media platforms wayo, iphinde ixhumane nama-media houses ewaziyo ukuze kubonakala ukuthi ungizwe uxolisile, bese khokha 1 million. Bese ekhokha 1 million. Ungizwe-ke yena uthi ucela ukuthi bangayenzi be-final, futhi yena njengoba nje ezimele akanammeli ngoba akasebenzi, ngeke aze akwazi vele ukukhokhela ummeli. Isinqumo-ke sejaji sithe this draft order is final, usho ukuthi ungizwe funeka comply. Nayi-ke inkulumo efike yangihlekisa ngempela.
Yes, but ngizama ukucacisela into eyenzekileyo. Ujaji uthi angithi i-draft order yabo lena ne, then bakunikeze ujaji wathi wena explain why angayenzi be-final, wathi uye-acceptile i-final manje lena, so now it ends up being i-order ye-court.
Cha phela sebeqedile.
Noma ngathiwa kuthiweni
ko final
silalele sihloniphe laba abasemsebenzini bese siyahamba. phela nje.
Okay.
Ya akukho nje
Usho ukuthi,
ukuthi ya kuze kuphume osilini lapha bekhuluma ingisi asinamsebenzi nalona. Asilalele kodwa sihlonipha abasemsebenzini bekhulume benza umsebenzi wabo bona beqede basha bakushoyo ngokumsebenzi wabo thina bese siyahamba.
uthi ujaji uyamsana noMalema, uyamsupport uMalema jaji.
Not that we are supporter, but it takes accepting it all.
Ngoba belithi ijaji ungizwe akachaze kungani le draft order kungafanelanga ibe final. Usho ukuthi ezathini zakhe azibekile inkantolo ayizange ibe convinced yingakho ke iyemukelile. Okusho ukuthi ngempela kungezwe icala limlahlile. Kufuneka axolise. Uma engaxolisi uzobe say in contempt of court. Uyakhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi bekavakashelwe uJacinta Ngobese Zuma kanye nomkhwenyana wakhe bafike bamtshela ukuthi hayi xolisa wenzele nje ukuthi le ndaba idlule le yemillion funeka asho ukuthi akasebenzi ngeke vele azakwazi ukukhokha imillion funa njengoba bengenabameli njengesebenzi asho nje ukuthi yena akasebenzi angeke akwazi ukukhokha lo mali leyo kodwa ukuxolisa kulula ayikho futhi into ezomlahlekela uma yena exolisile izodlula nje le ndaba kodwa uma engaxolisanga uzogijinyiswa nezinkantolo egcine simphoqa inkantolo ukuthi akaxolise. Ya bengithi ngi-update nje ngale ndaba ngoba ngangithi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi akeze ukuya ngempela na enkantolo kodwa ngimbona uyile namhlanje kanti nawe ayithe akalibeki lapho ungakwaZulu yena.